Good morning, guys. Hello. We will start in 8 minutes. Okay, get some questions, tickers, all the normal stuff. And don't forget to like up the stream. It is free to do so. Costs you $0. See you in a bit. Good morning to those who joined. We will start in 6 minutes. All right. I'm just on mute, chilling out. I will just in the Discord, be with you guys in 6 minutes. Right. Just post some tickers, questions. I'll get to you guys in a bit. To those who joined, let's like up the stream. Questions, tickers, all the stuff. I'll be going to you guys in 3 minutes. All right, what up, guys? Hello, 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 hello. I am gonna go through Twitter, and then I'm gonna go through the Discord questions, and then I'll get to you guys. All right, so get the questions in, get the tickers in, get the like up the stream. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I do this for you guys that struggle with trading or need some help or just want to learn. So what you don't understand, feel free to ask. I'm here to help. All right, let's get started. All right, Gree. Gree is very low volume, bearish. Yeah. Nothing on Gree. Gree currently bearish, fortunately. So Gree currently bearish. Bearish, for those who don't know, it means it's a downtrend. It means sellers are in control. It means you don't want to be buying when the stock is bearish. All right. ABCL is bullish at the moment. How do I know? Because we're in an uptrend. We broke this high and this high. Just looking on the larger time frames, where are your next key levels? I like to use the 4-hour time frame to find my next key levels. I have a lot of nice levels here. All right, so this is what you have for ABCL. All right, ABCL key levels, ABCL key levels. What else do we have here? We have some other tickers. Sober. Everyone's asking about Sober. I think that stock is a load of trash, in my opinion, but I will help for those who are bag holding, because I know they are. For sure they are, because this thing is extremely, extremely down. Down bad. This thing is down bad. There is no entries on this. You are not taking this. I would not touch this with a 20-inch pole. Leave it alone. I would take my profits or my loss and I would sell it right now and I would move on to something else. I'm going to be waiting for this one. Whether it runs today, tomorrow, next year, in 20 years, who knows? Right now, the stock is bearish. Nothing. No entries unless 140 break. So if it breaks above 140, then maybe you can look for entries. I would not buy this now. Right? I would not buy it now. ADTX, INVZ. INVZ is up 25%. Anything else going on it? I'll add it to my watch list if it's not there. Yeah, I do not have it. So INVZ is on my watch list. Gonna do the purple line. We have it there and we go like this. 269 is your resistance. Close above 269 on the 1 minute, 5 minute, 20 minute, 2 minute, 1 second time frame. Whichever time frame you choose. I use the 5 minute, and if it breaks above that and closes above 269, that might be a good entry. Needs to close above 269 for entries. Right, so this needs to close above 269. If this does not close above, the body of the candle does not close above 269, you are not taking the trade. It's as easy as that. It's extremely easy what you need to do, because right now, if you're not in this trade and you don't need to be, you shouldn't be. It's easy. You can focus on this trade and focus on it and only this trade. Do not care about anything else. And all you have to do is look at the chart. You look at the chart and you watch it and you watch it and you wait. And then you know if the body of the candle closes above 269, you can take the trade. And if it doesn't, you just have to wait until it does. And if it doesn't by the end of the day, then you're not taking the trade. It's that easy. Because you are disciplined, you have patience, and you're just going to be consistent, waiting for the same thing to happen every single time. That's how easy trading is if you really think about it. All you have to do is wait for 269. But some people, new traders, people who have a big ego, have the issue of trying to enter now because they want to get in before everyone else. They think it's going to go up, all this kind of stuff, and it keeps coming down, 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 down. And they put all their money in here. Now they're down $500 for the day and they don't know what to do and they start freaking out. When I said wait for 269, but they want to have a bigger ego and try and get in here earlier because they want to be better, all these kind of things, you know, it's a very, very bad attitude. And those people, you know, they last in the market for a couple of days and then they go. LITM, no entries on this. This is bearish. LITM needs 120, $1.20 break. LITM needs 120 break for entries. All right, 120 break equals entries. Nothing below, only above. People remove their posts for some reason. They delete it and then they repost it to me because they think I'm blind. Or if I don't respond in 2 seconds. Because apparently I'm a robot. Let's see what else is cooking. VRAX. This is monkeypox play, I think. Nothing exciting going on with this, to be honest. Yeah, nothing. Nothing. I'm just going to go through like this. Just make it easy and clear for you. Downtrend. VRAX equals bearish. Up 27% yesterday. Today down 8%. Yeah, nothing unless downtrend breaks. Gets the downtrend break, then maybe you can look for your entry. Let's see. SYRA. Where is it? SYRA. What's happening here? Yeah, no entries unless 0.9578. If you enter now, you're gonna be an idiot. So 0.9578, you can screenshot it, send it to your girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, wife, whoever. You just wait for that level to break. It's that easy. I'm literally giving you guys the trade setups that you want to make money on. All you have to do is just wait. But I know a lot of people don't have patience, so they'll try and enter before because they have no patience. And then they didn't listen, so now they're down because they bought before and they try to get in early. And now they're crying. You know, so there's a big difference there. Just wait. The market's not going anywhere. This has a possible bullish pennant, meaning price should continue to go up due to the trend here. Bullish, go up. Hello guys, please save this chart. I posted about 7-8 times a day, but I'm going to start posting once a day, so people have to wait. So right now the stock is bearish, it's in a downtrend, I would leave it alone. You are only looking for entries if the downtrend breaks above. That's it. All right, what's happening? Let's see. A lot of people are talking about XTIA. Okay, guys, I see everyone's questions. I'll get to you guys in a minute. All right, I'm just going to go through some Discord questions and then I'll get to you guys. All right, I see everybody who posted. I can see everybody's message. All right, so just bear with me. Just bear with me. XTIA is looking good, looking good, looking good. SMH, Rhyme's looking all right. CDT needs to close above this. All right, let's get some questions. Happy Tuesday. Let's go. Where are you? What up? What up? What up? What up? Good morning. Good morning. Very interested in Fubo. Everyone is on Fubo. Yeah, Fubo was good buys here. Now it's pushing up. You have resistance at 639. Are you going to buy now? Personally, I would not because you're just in a weird range right here. If you want to enter, go ahead. For me, nothing unless 639. Maybe it comes back down here. SVMH, I'm definitely not going to be touching this. It's 6 cents. I don't touch anything under $1, especially 6 cents. You can do as you please on this. Same rules apply. Candle body close above 0.688 and look for an entry. Otherwise, nothing. RR dropped a lot. Yeah, I don't know what's up with RR. Hasn't been very well the last 2 days, to be honest. Yeah, nothing right now. It's just bearish and a downtrend. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Not really interested until the downtrend breaks, to be honest with you. GTAI. GTAI. I don't have GTAI. RGTI. RGTI is looking alright from the prediction I have here to continue to go up. Broke above $18, broke above it, retested this level to continue to push to the upside. Let's see. Good morning, traders. What up, what up, what up? What confirms trendline break? A candle body must close above. So look here. Everybody please understand this. Turn on your brain cells. Get ready. Ready? Is everybody ready for this? This is some magic right here. Ready? So you can understand what I talk about and I refer to it every day. Don't look at the price. Look at what this is. What is this? You know what this is. This is the resistance line. As I always draw thousands and thousands of times a day, it means this is your resistance line. Okay, so if the candle body closes above, the yellow is the candle body, the white is the candle wick. That is the high of the candle, that is the low, open, close. All right, now if the candle body closes above, this confirms a breakout, meaning the price should continue to go up. If it does this and it wicks down and the candle body does not close above resistance, it means that it is still resistance. Close above resistance now will become support. If it doesn't close above, I'll repeat that very slowly. If the candle body does not close above this yellow box, if it does not close above the resistance line, right, which is this purple line here, if the body does not close above, it is still bearish. It is still in a resistance area. This does not confirm a breakout. There is still high probability the stock will go down. Now, if the body closes above like this, that confirms there is a breakout and now there is a higher probability the stock will continue to go up, and now this resistance should become support. So once it breaks above, which it has, it should retest here to continue to go up. Why? Because the resistance has now become support to continue to push up. That is extremely, 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 very, very, very extremely. This is a very, very good information. This, people don't teach this and you don't understand this. You understand that, your whole trading career will change for the better. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. Everybody, please listen to this very carefully. Listen to it very, very carefully. Turn the volume up. Open your ears. If the candle body closes above a resistance, that confirms a breakout. If the candle body does not close above a resistance, it is not a breakout. There is a high probability the stock will go down if the candle body has closed below. If the candle body has closed above resistance, there's a high probability it will go up. Now, someone asked me and said, what confirms trend line break? So this is a trend line. We can have a bearish trend, right? That is our bearish trend, downtrend. So now what do we notice? We still have candles, the same thing as it is when there's a purple line, it doesn't matter. Let's take the exact same candle here and let's move it for this example. Now let's see. This line is exactly the same as this purple line. It's just diagonal. There is nothing different. Nothing at all. This is just the trend line that is bearish. So that means the same thing applies. If the candle body does not close above this downtrend, that means that it is still in a downtrend. If the candle body closes above the downtrend, that means the downtrend has broken and there is a high probability the stock will now continue to go up. You see that? So everybody listen. This is a downtrend. It's the same line as this line here. It's just diagonal. This is just a horizontal line. Now, if the body closes above the horizontal line, the diagonal line, that means there is a confirmation of a breakout and the trend is no longer bearish, it is bullish. If the candle body does not close above this downtrend, it means it is still bearish and there's a high probability to go down. Close above, high probability to go up. Close below, higher probability to go down. Same thing here again. If the candle body closes above the resistance, there's a high probability the stock will go up. If the candle body doesn't close above this and it closes below, high probability to go down. Extremely simple. This will be saved onto the YouTube so you can watch this. I'm not going to go over it again. So just go onto this, please, and watch it tomorrow. All right, or later today, whenever you get a chance. The end. Right, QSI, nothing on this. 492 break can be an entry point. So QSI, wait for 492 break to enter the trade. All right. So the yellow line is exactly the same as the purple line. It's exactly the same thing. Exactly the same. MSAI, what's happening here? We are breaking below this. This is no longer a falling wedge. This is our new demand zone right here. Demand zone is where buyers step in. There is a high probability that the stock will reverse here. However, you need to look for some more confluences in order for this to reverse. Just because the stock's in a demand zone does not mean it will reverse. You need to understand candlesticks, you need to understand support, resistance, price action, chart patterns, and so on, which I explain in depth in the Discord as well if you want to learn. MSIA is what? It's currently in a downtrend. So right now, as I explained to you previously with the purple line, if the candle body closes above this, that confirms the stock will go up. If the candle body does not, it will go down. So we've had 1 rejection, 2, 3, 4. Candle body close above, then it's an entry. Example, if the candle body, right, closed above, that means it confirms that there is a breakout happening. I bet you guys are learning a lot right now. It's a lot of information. Take it in, take it in. MVST is still bullish. You are buying at an area of support, which is a good area to buy. And that means that there is a high probability the stock will possibly push up. You are in a bullish chart pattern. Continuation pattern, meaning price should continue to go up in the direction it's in, which is bullish. Why is this bullish? Due to the uptrend. So I'm just sharing right now the key zones where it has bounced off of, so you can see it clearly. All right, so this is what you have like that. So maybe this will be a good entry point. Why? Because we've had a bounce off there and a bounce off there and a bounce off there to hopefully push to the upside. We will see what happens with this play. SVMH, I've gone over it. I would not touch SVMH, but if you like to trade 6 cent stocks for some reason, go ahead, but it needs to close above 0.068. Getty has a gap fill. Yes, Getty does. Hoth, 95%. This is a former runner. I'll just add it to my watch list just for the sake of it. We can draw the resistance right here. Look, it's purple. You know what you need to do when you see a purple line. So now I'll explain this again for those who've joined late or for those who are still not clear. The candle body needs to close above. Remember the candle body? I put it in yellow for you. Exactly the same example. You draw it like this. If the candle body closes above, that is your entry point. If the candle body does not close above, you do not enter. The candle body must close above the level. You can use it on the 1 minute, a 5 minute candle, a 15-minute weekly candle, whatever you choose. It's up to you. You are in control of your account. You're in control of choosing what you want to do. For me personally, I use the 5 minute. Rhyme, is it broken down, Junior? So look here, does everybody understand this? Remember what I was talking about with the downtrend? Yes, you do. Fantastic. What happened here? This was the downtrend break. This candle right over here. This is what I've been explaining to you for the last 10 minutes. Remember, this is the candle that has closed above, the body has closed above the downtrend. What has that confirmed? It has confirmed that now the trend is going from a downtrend to an uptrend. So once that candle body closed, you enter the trade and you can look for your 5-6% and you can see it's up 7%. So once that candle closed above, that was your entry point. You enter the trade and there's your quick 7%. As easy as that. Exactly what I've just explained to you. Trug. I went to Trug yesterday. Trug, no volume. Trug, you can use this resistance if you want, 0.88. I like to use blue for psychological levels. Psychological levels are just whole numbers, 880, 90, $1, 120, 130, 150, whatever you choose. Not 123, that is not a psychological level. Trug, wait for close above 0.8800. Hoth, rhyme. Guys, I see everybody's questions. Please bear with me. I'm just trying to explain a few things as well whilst I'm doing this. How do you determine the price for entry on trades? What does that mean? I don't buy a stock based on its price. I buy a stock based on technical analysis. This needs $1 for Naya. Nothing on that. ADTX, right now, look what's happening with ADTX. This is a very easy trade to take, okay? It's very simple. Right now, You guys all know what the purple line means. Everybody knows what it is, unless you joined about 2 seconds ago, but you know what this means. Right now, the stock is ranging. You do not want to buy in a situation like this. Why are you going to buy if it keeps rejecting at this level? You know exactly what you need to do in this situation. The situation is that it's ranging and that it's consolidating. You are simply sitting on your hands and waiting for the candle body to close above this resistance at 0.215. If the candle body closes above, you can take the trade. Anything below, no entries. Close above is your entry. As easy as that. XTIA is right here. It's just chilling. PMEC is up 12%. Nothing for me on this. It's just a random volume spike. Maybe above 0.9, but just a random volume spike. I don't really like something like that. MCVT, you're up 30%. What else is going on? Nothing really going on this, to be honest. There's not much price action for me to be trading something like this. But you can use maybe $3.22. If there's a break and close above this, you can look for your entry. Other than that, I just would not take it. All right, same thing. SOUN, I like the stock. It's bullish. Should continue to go to the upside. Fubo, what's happening here? It's just chilling. Discord members, you can use the candlestick strategy on this or just wait for 639. Right now, you're in like a no man's land. I don't really like trading with this situation. How do you find key levels to watch? I like to use the 4 hour when I'm doing the key levels. It's major levels where the play has dropped or gone up a lot. Like it up, people. Let's go, guys. Come on, let's like it up. It's free. We have 100 people in here. 100 people. And we only have 25 likes. That is 25% of you. That is extremely, extremely bad. I expect a lot more. I will only start talking and going over some trades. So I'm just going to go into Discord and chill for a bit. When we get to at least 50 likes, then I will continue. All right. So like up the stream. It costs you $0. And I'm giving you guys a lot of information here. All right. I'm giving you a lot of information that paid Discords don't even do this. All right. So like it up. Like it up. You just need to get to 50 likes. You can at least get to 80, 90. Right. But I know some people are very lazy. So I just won't ask for that much. But maybe tomorrow we can push it to at least 60, 70. All right. So I'll see you guys in a few minutes. When we get to 50, I'll be with you guys. All right, let's see. Have we hit the goal? Have we hit the goal? Let's see. Come on, guys. 49. Who's going to be the 50th like? 50th like, 50th like, 50th like. All right, cool. I'm assuming you got to 50. SVMH. Guys, everybody, SVMH. I won't be touching this. As I mentioned, you are looking for an entry on this. Just screenshot this right now. Save it. Send it to your boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever you want to do. It needs to close above this level to take your trade. All right. I made a mistake in hollow and then it dipped. Should I hold or sell? If you're down more than 5%, I would cut it. That's how I trade. Cero up 39%. This thing's 5 cents. Again, I don't really care about something like this. 5 cents, maybe above 617. Mbot. Mbot. I don't know. Is this the one that dropped offering yesterday or was it Meagle? I can't remember. One of them did. No, it was Mbot yesterday. Nothing really on this, to be honest with you. Needs to hold like 240 level. Holds 240, then maybe, yeah, should continue to go up. But at the moment, it's just not really worth entering, to be honest with you. 240. Close above 240, then you should be good. Thank you, Tiger. No worries, no worries, no worries. GFAI. GFAI, nothing unless $3.18. All right. $3.18. KULR, you need, what is it, KULR? Yeah, KULR, look here. I have the 4-hour time frame because this is a clear level. 386, close above, you have room to 428. So wait for 386 to enter. When you refer to candle body closing above or below, do you really mean rise above or fall below? When I think of close above, I always think of closing price of a stock. Guys, you're overcomplicating this a lot, right? It's as easy as this. Please listen to me. Listen very, very carefully. It's as simple as this. This is the purple line, right? Does everybody understand what this is? This is the resistance, okay? This means, listen to this very carefully for those who understand. Pay attention. Here is your candle body. Here is your wick. This is what a candle looks like, okay? This is exactly the same as this thing. It's a candle, okay? This is the wick here. This is the wick. This is the body. This is the body. Now, you are waiting for the candle body to close above the purple line. You're not looking at the price. You don't care about anything other than the candle body closing above the resistance. The resistance here in this example is at 710. If the candle body closes above 710, which is 711, then you will take the trade. If the candle body closes at 709, you are not taking the trade because it has not closed above the resistance. Does that make sense? If the candle body closes above, you're entering the trade. If it doesn't, then that's it. If you guys don't understand that, I really think you should not trade ever. Technicals, maybe fundamentally or something, understanding about the stock or company and all that, but if you cannot understand the basics of a candle body closing above a certain level, then it's very, very difficult to understand trading in general, especially on a technical analysis. This is extremely basic stuff. All right, guys? What percentage should you drop out of a trade? It's completely up to you, whatever your risk management is. I have a 3% stop loss and I have a 5% target. Some people have a 20% stop loss. Some people have a 20% target. It just depends on what you like to do. You can work out what your risk management is, what you decide to do. If you're in the Discord, you have your risk management plan there where you know exactly what you need to do before entering every trade. Has APM found support? APM. Has it found support? 160. I don't know. For me, it's still bearish. I just wouldn't consider something like this. You're trying to nail the bottom pretty much. But yeah, nothing for me on this. There's a much better place to take a trade on this. Hoth is right here. Here is Hoth. Right, so Hoth, you're waiting for the candle body to close above 181 to take the trade. Please understand this. It's not going to work 100% of the time. None of your furus, none of your best friends, no robots, AI bots, all this algorithm BS will not hit 100%. Nothing is 100%, but I can tell you that this is at least 60% win rate. At least 60%. It takes practice. I was going to call with the 5-minute close above resistance, better precise time of the day when algo is reverse. For me, I don't use a strategy, right? I rarely ever use a strategy, to be honest with you, but this is a very basic strategy that anybody can do, learning and understanding support and resistance, candlesticks, and all these kind of things. But if you want to understand how I trade and what strategies I use, it's all in the Discord, but this is just something very basic and easy to understand, especially for people who have just literally started looking at a chart today. PGHL, there's nothing really on this. Yeah, PGHL, I don't know what you see in this personally. Yeah, nothing on it. So I will show you the trend. The trend, as you can see, is bearish. There's a downtrend. I personally would just avoid it unless the trend breaks above. PGHL needs downtrend break to enter. All right, downtrend break equals entries. EVAX, this thing came straight down after the news or something. Yeah, EVAX. Oh no, this was a different play. EVAX, nothing on this at the moment. Needs 109. I would wait for 109 close above for push to the upside. All right. LGHL. Yeah, LGHL, there's nothing really going on. I mean, maybe you can draw the trend here like this. Yeah, so LGHL, you have this. Draw this. So maybe if it comes back to the trend line, you can look for entries, but if it doesn't, then you know you just don't enter. All right, that's kind of how I would trade it. current trend on LGHL. Thank you for streaming us for free. Of course, no problem. Enjoy it. So XTI is chilling above 2035 now, so the brokers is XTI. So XTIA is at support right now. So now what you're doing is, if you want to do the purple line, what I've been explaining is this. This is the candle body high. I like to use that. Then you just do this. Use the purple. Right? That's it. Right now it's at a support level. See what it does do. But it needs to hold 0.18, so around that level, like no lower than 0.16. Can you explain where to draw demand zone? Demand zone, I've done a seminar on it. If you want to know how to do support and resistance the way I do it, there's a whole seminar in the Discord. But demand zone is just basically the last red candle before the big move to the upside. An example is this. Last red candle before the move to the upside. There we go. Last red candle before the move to the upside. Here we go. Right. Last red candle before the move to the upside. Here we go. Last red candle before the move to the upside. Here we go. That's it. Last red candle before the move to the upside. Here we go. That's it. As easy as that. That's a very basic way of explaining it to you. It takes nothing to hit the like as fast as you can. Yes, like it up. Lazy, lazy people. We have a lot of lazy people in here today. I don't know what's going on. It's the new year or what? IEP is extremely bearish. I don't see anything on this. It's in a downtrend. Yeah, nothing for me. KHE means where the next candle appears if it's above. Yes, correct. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. IE, you need to break above like 955 to consider anything on IEP, but I just wouldn't take it yet. I don't see any possible trade on this. Thanks. No problem, no problem. LEP worth entries. LEP or IEP? IEP, no, I don't know what's going on with that. I don't know why people keep spamming it. I don't see anything on it. No. Nvidia. Nvidia is breaking out. Very nice. You have a resistance here and here. These are your levels. What up, Mr. Eric? What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? VKTX. VKTX doesn't have much volume. Yeah, VKTX is a difficult one. Personally, if I'm trying to look for an entry, it would have to be all the way up here, to be honest with you. $49 right now. I mean, maybe you can use this level here, around here. This, what is this? 43.79. Then you have range to the upside, but right now I wouldn't buy into resistance. NAOV, NAOV. Yes, this is the only link to Discord. This is the only link. It is right here. There's 1 month and 3 months. Today is the last day to join the Discord, by the way. Today is the last day. Will be closed. NAOV, I don't know what's going on here. Nothing on NAOV, unfortunately. I don't really like a chart like this. Not much volume. Random spike up, came straight down. Yeah, there's no clear trend, so it's difficult. Gonna go through my watches, guys. I'm gonna head into Discord, all right? We have Hoth, which is looking good once this candle body closes above 181. If it doesn't close above, then you are not taking the trade. It's as simple as that. Hoth, 181 break equals entries, all right? You have INVZ needs to close above 269. IMRX needs to close above 539. Do you notice how my charts are already clear and already set up? So when I go through them, I can already see what's happening. Same with MSAI, nothing on this. Fubo, nothing on this. We have Getty, nothing on this. ARBE, there we go. So everybody understands what I was talking about with the purple line, correct? Here's a prime example. Everybody please pay attention. Where was the body that closed above? Which candle was it? Correct. This one. Yes. Well done. Gold star. This was the candle body that closed above. Correct. There was nothing else that closed above. Once that candle body closed above, you enter the trade and you look for your 5%. So you can look for 505. You can have a 5% target. You can have a 200% target, whatever you choose. I'm a very realistic and conservative trader. So I aim for 5%. If anything goes more than that, fantastic, cool. I'll scale out the rest if I want to. All right, this is a prime example right here, ARBE. Very, very simple, easy trade. I explained this to you about 500 times, as clear as day to you today. So if anyone did take this one, congratulations. If you didn't, it's okay. Next trade. So well done on ARBE. If you took it, congratulations. Thank you. Thank you. Great to you too. KUKE. This one's a load of trash. I said about it yesterday, guys. I don't know what people were banging on about this. This thing is trash, absolute shit. Leave it alone. This is getting pumped and dumped. Leave it alone, please. Just leave it. It's not good. It's terrible. Look, not good. It's down. Ever since I posted saying be careful of it, it literally came all the way down, literally from here, all the way down. 40%. Leave it alone. Terrible. Thank you for explaining the turn support level. No problem. Guys, the easiest way to trade, please think about this. When you enter a trade, before you enter a trade today, where is your stop loss? Where is your target? When it gets to your stop loss, sell it. When it gets to your target, sell it. It's as easy as that. People fail when they trade because they do not sell when they're supposed to, and they do not use their stop loss where they're supposed to. They keep buying more when it's going down, and when they take profits, they don't even take profits. They want to aim for 500% moves, which are in their dreams. All right, so I hope you guys learned something today. There's a lot of information I gave to you all. All right, I hope you all have a fantastic day. Today is the last day to join the Discord. I will be sending out the link again and again and again today because it will be closed by the end of the day. All right, have a fantastic day, evening, afternoon, morning, wherever you guys are. I will see you all tomorrow. Peace out.